Hi guys, here at Steventon Causeway level crossing in Oxfordshire with Steventon. Time now is 08:30 on Saturday the 12th of May 2018. This is for your delayed 08:25 1 Bravo 10 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. Pretty quiet road here, and also just down the line you can see another. You can literally see there's another crossing, literally just only a few hundred yards just down the track, and that's the Stocks Lane crossing which I'm visiting next. We have Quarter 3027 to Quarter 3 something or other to Swansea.